Hey guys, Scott with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over lubricating your slide out seals. So every trailer you're going to see out there has some sort of slide out seal, whether it's a Schwintek system, a cable system, or your undermount system. But the rubber seals are going to need to be conditioned depending on how often you use them. If you're a weekend warrior, I'd say a couple times a year. If you're someone who puts a lot more miles in their coach and is camping a lot more, you know, just kind of gauge on how much you're putting on there. But these rubber seals are going to be around the whole entire trailer or slide out. So we want to make sure we condition those, check those periodically, make sure they're not cracking, tearing, peeling off, or anything like that. We do recommend a rubber conditioner. It's as simple as spraying on, it foams up, you let it dry just a little bit, you pat it in, walk away, and you're done. A couple times a year will help these things last a lot longer. They won't crack, they won't dry. And like I said, checking them out just to make sure they're not peeling or anything like that is always a good thing to do every time you camp. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.